In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up strike-through sale price on Shopify. This is the effect you see on many online stores where the original price appears crossed out and the new lower sale price is shown next to it. It's a simple but powerful way to highlight discounts and make promotions stand out to your customers. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Products and click on it. This will open a list of all the products in your store. Take a moment to scan through this list and choose the product you want to put on sale. Click on that product name to open its product editor page. Inside the product editor, scroll down until you find the section labeled Pricing or Price. If your product does not have variants, you'll see the price fields right there on this main product screen. However, if your product does have variants, such as different sizes or colors, you won't edit the main price section. Instead, scroll a bit further down to the variants list and click on the specific variant you want to discount. This will open the variant editor, and inside that, you'll also see a price section. Now it's time to set the sale price and the original price correctly so Shopify can display the strike-through. In the price section, you'll see a field labeled Price. This is the active price your customers will pay. Enter the lower discounted price in this field. This should be the sale price you want to offer on your store. Next, look toward the bottom of the same price section for an option related to Compare At. You may need to click on a small link or label that says Compare At to reveal additional fields. Once those fields are visible, locate the one called Compare At Price. In this field, enter the original higher price that you were charging before the sale. This is the amount that will appear crossed out on your storefront. When you're done entering these values, go to the top right area of the screen and click the Save button near the search bar. Saving your changes will update your store. On your storefront, Shopify will now automatically display the original Compare At price with a strike-through next to the new lower sale price, making your discounts clear and visually appealing to customers.